William Durant, wat Willie genoem het.
In the city for being a
with a warmth and pride.
Ja, nee, ons meneer wat nou 'n foto neem by die pragtige Massey Ferguson. Ek het vir Andre Banner hier saam met my. En Andre gaan 'n bietjie vir ons vertel soos die trekkers verbykom.
Ek hoor hulle praat, sê as jy inskryf daar, as jy as jou goed so is, dan sit jou knoop in die gat.
Sorry man.
Jy gaan moer op.
Remember, if you didn't hear yet, you can win a 1985 Mercedes-Benz, the beautiful dark blue one right there at the left-hand corner. Sponsored by MUA. MUA is insuring the individual. And if you win the car, you get 1 year of free insurance. What you do is you go download it, QR code.
Dis 'n ongelooflike mooi kar. Een van min karre in Suid-Afrika wat Model T is, wat toers. All thank you very much for joining. Thanks for going the extra mile with your hash. We appreciate your attendance with the George Onkasha. Hierdie is 'n 19 oor Botha en ons is so dankbaar dat Kobus is een van ons groot versamelaars van ou motors in Suid-Afrika. En dat Kobus besluit het om sy kamp nou sy nuwe tuis te Kobus, vertel ons 'n bietjie meer oor die kamp en dan spesifiek oor die skaarsheid van die deel.
Dankie Philip. Ja, die rand William Durant, wat Willie genoem het, in 1921 begin om sy eie voertuie te vervaardig. Hy het vir GM gewerk, dus hy begin om die Durant te bou. En ja, het hulle gebou tot in 31 in Amerika, en 32 en nog in Canada van hulle gehad. Maar toe het hulle opgehou vervaardig. En toevallig is hy in dieselfde jare so Henry Ford oorlede. Henry Ford was 83 en Willie Durant was 85 en 47. Ja, en hierdie is soos Philip gesê het in 1930 model. Ja, daar's nie verskriklik baie van hulle nie. Ek is op hierdie stadium bewus van so 3 in Suid-Afrika. Daar's meer, maar hulle is nie volop nie as gevolg van die beperkte termyn ook wat hulle gebou was.
Ja, ek moet sê, Kobus het 'n baie gesellige rit gehad.
We can.
Prins Albert toe terug, want met hierdie luxe voertuig teenoor 'n Model T, hy ook saam met Prins Albert teruggery en dit sonder enige probleme. Kobus, Rikkie, baie dankie. Hier is 'n 1926 model T4 Roadster, 2-sitplek. Roadster beteken 2-sitplek. Hierdie voertuig behoort aan Stef Stein Walters. Ek behoort aan 2 klubs, so die Model T Ford Club van Suid-Afrika. Hy is ons jongste lid daar. Dis sy voertuig. Hy het spesiaal die voertuig van Malmesbury laat kom hiernatoe om 'n nuwe dakkie op te sit by Dwayne. En ek hoop jy is tevrede met jou dakkie. Ek weet nie of jy vir ons ietsie wil vertel van die kar nie. Is jy alright? Alright. Dankie Stef. Dis middag dat ons die jong mense in die beweging kry. En ek voel dit so dat ons saam met ons te doen.
It was 10 times more expensive than a normal car in 1935, and that's when I think the normal car cost about $300,000. the Deutschmarks, and that car sold for about 35,000 Deutschmarks. So it just shows you how special that car is. But also, with part of the pioneers of motoring, that's why we call it pioneers of motoring, one of the very special is we've hosted this year the 20th Pet Tour, which is an annual rally for veteran cars the day before the show. And I'd like to thank Mr. Philip Pushker for organizing 20 years of those tours, very successful. We had a record number of participants for this tour this year. And if you look here on the A field, we've got almost over 60 cars from 1900 to 1936, covering veteran and vintage cars, classic car sponsors. We've got MU Deco as a main sponsor, and they've got this lovely car that they're rattling out the tears from the rotaries, the table, round table. But enjoy the day. We hope that the rest of the day will be sunshine, and I clear the show officially open. Thank you very much.
Once again, successfully organizing the 29th George Old Car Show and declaring the show now officially open. Een lekker aan de klap alsjeblieft, baie dankie vir die stil. Ons gaan nou net nou gaan ons ek gaan 'n groot vriend en natuurlik enthousiast Andre Barnard hier by my verwelkom en ons gaan ons eerste you see on the program we will have an exhibition, we will have a drive-by of all the old cars, and I will have here and there, I'll have a Roy Maxie Ferguson here. Welkom Andre.
As jy een toe in ripper by Paul by groot waardering. Ek gewone 35 wat in 'n rooi kleur is, petrol sowel as 'n 35X wat 'n dieseltjie is. Hierdie trekkertjie van Gerard wat hier staan is 'n stap nie. Hierdie is 'n stapmodel, so hy's ouer as wat Gerard. Hy's nie meer ouer as wat Gerard is, maar dit min ook dieselfde grootte in die dag. Gerard, baie dankie en nogmaals dankie vir julle adres aan boerdery agter. Die uitnodigings wat ons al gehad het en die toonstelling wat ons daar kon geniet het. Met onthou dat ou trekkers en ou karre dit gebeur.
Ons het baie respek vir die ou trekkers manne. Op ons stoeltjie asseblief. Die trekker die media die burgemeester is wat jong en die ander burgemeester. Lekker aan de klap man. Vrij trekker, wat een respect van hij.
Van de demonstratie. Maar hoe is die oudheid wat? Als het dan maar waar was die eerste keer in de haver van die Zuidstaat op die rand trekken. En dan het van
No, but he was touching it. It was his problem. It wasn't traction. This was beautiful.
Justice.
Beautiful, sir.
Kykie, where's the engines?
Wow, dis hoe die engine opdrag.
Oh, dis mooi.
En here's the store the mechanic of your store, Jason. Well done, bro.
Local businesses, fills our guest houses and restaurants, and it showcases our town on a national stage. And let me say this clearly, George is open for events. George is ready for investments. George is ready for innovation. And we are building a city where event organizers know they will find strong municipal support, excellent infrastructure, and a community that welcomes visitors with a warmth and pride. There is a saying, a car may take you from point A to point B, but a classic car take you back in time. From the pioneers who dare to dream, to the collectors who preserve that history, and to the younger generation who are discovering that motoring is not just about speed, but about a story. To the organizers, the volunteers, the sponsors, the exhibition, and every individual who has worked tirelessly to make our visitors welcome to George. Enjoy every rev of engines and every polished bonnet, every story shared between strangers who quickly become friends, shine, and the stories continue for many years to come. Thank you and welcome to the George Old Car Show.
Thank you so much, sir. That's Mr. Rowan Johnson, the Executive Mayor of the City of George. And as he said, really a city where good governance and management takes place. And it's a true host of these events. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you to the city for being a host to this wonderful event. And now very much the driving force and the passionate man behind all of this is the chairperson of the Southern Cape Old Car Club, who is the host of the George Old Car Show every year, and for his message of support and welcome, especially Dr. Waldo Scribanti.
Executive Mayor and Rowan Johnson, distinguished guests, fellow motor enthusiasts, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to welcome you all to the 29th George Old Car Show. It's amazing to see all the cars here today. Our theme for this year, the pioneers of motoring. It's such a great topic for this year. We have a special exhibit of Benz motor vehicle, replica of a 1886 Benz Pinparken and the 1901 Benz Idol, still be at the special display. Then we also